guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this full coverage makeup. Eyes, we're going to keep it neutral. Brows, we're going to keep them, snatched, but at the same time neutral. We're going to keep everything neutral, but the face is going to be flawless. Not cakey and all of that, but just flawless kind of makeup that you can rock anywhere you're going to work, anywhere, but you're going to keep it full coverage, you know what I'm saying, but flawless at the same time. And today I'm going to be announcing the winner of the giveaway, so if you want to find out that, you have to watch the video till the end, okay? And don't cheat. And today's giveaway, guys, is going to be my Sylyne brushes. These are the 12-piece. These are my all-time favorite brushes. This is actually the first brush set that I bought from Sylyne. Yes. And I was so amazed, and I have been stuck with Sylyne because of these brushes, guys. So if you want to win this brush set, you know what to do. Go into the description, follow the information, complete it, and you can win. And don't forget, guys, you have to like my video, you have to share my video, you have to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Leave a comment, tell me why you want the brushes, and that's pretty much it. And one thing I would really love if you leave your Instagram handle, if you can or if you want to. That would be good, easier for me to determine who is the winner. Yes, and please leave a comment so I can know that you actually want to win. Don't leave the comment section blank and expect me to, you know what I'm saying? I can't figure it out. I would love if you commented, then I can say, yes, this person wants to win and whatever. But if you want to win this brush set, guys, you know what to do. All the information is linked below, so please follow the instructions. And without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, guys, so the first thing that we're going to do, I'm going to do one brow on the camera and the other off camera, just to save time so we don't waste time talking and doing all of that. So I'm going to use this brush. This is a angled brush that comes from the Sylyne brush set. Yeah, this is the 111 brush, and I'm going to go in with this color from my favorite palette, my NYX Love Contours All palette, this brow shade. So we're just filling in the brows. Yeah, so these are the brows that we're going to be working with. So we're just going to fill in the brows now. Use this brush. This is my concealer blending brush. Where is it? This one. I usually use it to blend my concealer here. So this brush set has two brushes. I'm going to use one of them. This is a blending brush and a pencil brush. We're going to use the blending brush to add some of this pressed powder to the lids, because we're not going to go in with any eyeshadow, just gonna add pressed powder. This contour shade, yeah, I'm gonna go in with that just to contour the crease a bit, because I want my eyes to look a little bigger. I don't want it to look small. Nice. Do you see the difference already? Yes, I'm just contouring my eyes a bit. See the difference, guys? Alright, so the next thing is to do a line. I'm going to create a wing. I'm going to use an eyebrow pencil, but I'm going to kind of crush it out a bit because I can't really use this on my eyes. Start from right here. Okay guys, so I'm gonna add my foundation now, and I'm going in with my NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat. Okay, I rarely use this brush, but just because I added a lot of foundation, I'm just gonna take it to kind of like to spread the foundation all over the face, and then we're gonna go in with this flat top fluffy blending brush. Just gonna spread this all over the face. I'm just gonna wipe some here, and then we're using the foundation brush now to just buff it in. The flat top foundation brush to just buff in it. And what we have to do, guys, in order to get like a full coverage look doesn't mean to cake your face. A full coverage look means to cover all your imperfections. Yeah, so you don't have to cake your face. And see, you can't really see any of my imperfections. Nice. But yet still my face doesn't look cakey. You know what I'm saying? I will have to like blend it properly so that it doesn't look patchy and all of that stuff. Now that we're satisfied, I'm gonna go in with Fawn. Now that it's almost finished. Now we're gonna blend that. I'm gonna use this brush again, guys, so you can see that it is effective. See me just blending the concealer. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use the foundation brush to just blend out the edges, and then we use the foundation brush on top, just so it can be blended. Gonna go in with this is a 104 brush, the buffing brush, and we're going to blend out here, guys, under the eye, because you don't want it to be white. This is a dry brush, we're blending that. You could use a beauty sponge, but you know, I'm a rush girl. How are we looking, guys? How are we looking? Nice. Alright, so now we're going to set everything, because of course we're going for full coverage. I'm gonna use this is a little concoction. It's not actually black opal. It is my Coty Airspun mixed with my ColourPop in medium deep. Yeah, so it's Coty Airspun mixed with this ColourPop loose setting powder in medium deep. So I'm gonna use the 103 brush. So I'm just gonna get the brush and put it in this. I'm just gonna cover it in powder, and then I'm just gonna tap off the excess. So after tapping it off, I'm gonna go in now and set. Oh, this Coty Airspun powder is just so strong. It has a strong smell, but it's not a bad smell. So we are setting, guys. We are going to set the rest of this, and we're just going to use this brush to just pack it in there, and then we're gonna set the face, and I'm gonna show you how effective these brushes look. We have to set the areas where the foundation is. I'm gonna go back in with this one, the one that we used to blend out the thing under the eyes, and I'm going to use it to take the powder right here. I'm gonna go in with this brush, and I'm going to do some blush to get that nice finish, you know, bronzy kind of look. Nice. Okay, so now we want to cut cut the cheeks a bit, so I'm gonna go in with this sponge. This is a sponge by from Practic by Sigma. Just want you to see. See? Do you see cake? Do you see smile lines? I mean, apart from the ones that I naturally have. Because I'm naturally natural. Do you see? Yes. So let's show you what I'm gonna be using. Highlighter. Shit. So I'm gonna use this highlighter brush with my baked bronzer from Makeup Revolution. And we don't want to go in with a lot, so I'm just gonna dust off the excess that came onto the brush. See that? Subtle glow. I'm gonna use the same brush that we used to contour the nose. I'm gonna take some of the highlighter down my nose. Oh, come on. Not in my face. Okay, guys. I'm gonna use this to line the lips. This is a yes, guys, so this is the finished look. Miss Ornella Mankenda Onolo, that's what it says. Miss Ornella Mankenda Malolo, you are the winner. I'm sorry if I butchered your name, but Ornella, just know that you won the giveaway. Please to DM me all your information on Instagram so I can send you the brushes, okay? But thank you so much for watching. And guys, there's another giveaway. So if you want to win that, all of those who entered, enter again. That's all I'm gonna say. Enter again. Definitely enter again. And share with your friends and so forth. And continue watching my videos. And yeah, enjoy. Well, yeah, guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed this. Really loving it. Really loving it. Hope you enjoyed it too.
Hello, it's me again. Tell a friend to tell a friend.